Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily adjust the sharpness on your Sharp 50 TV. So first let's start off by going to all settings. Now here we need to click on the picture. Now click OK on your TV, and if we want to change the sharpness, simply scroll down. Here we will have it. Let me show you guys again. There we have the saturation, HUE, and then we have the sharpness. So we can change it up to 20 from a 0. Now here we can change the settings by moving to the left or to the right with our arrows on our TV remote. And that'd be it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a comment, subscription, and a like. See you next time.